Good morning, everyone. Gina here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another Black Friday video. So today what I thought I would do is head into my local CVS and give you guys my plan for Black Friday. So watching this video, you're going to be spending, hold on, Chris is calling. Hey. Tanner had a waffle. And a banana. Bye. All right, so if you want to get $43 worth of items for $6.49, then watch this scenario. So you're gonna get a ton of stuff. So let's go ahead and hop into CVS, and I'm gonna share with you guys how to do every transaction. So it's split up between, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 transactions. So there are 5 transactions you can do. There's a printable below with all of the details, and these deals are going to be even sweeter if you get CRTs for some of these items. So that's why I wanted to get this breakdown out for you guys a lot quicker, is so that if you guys see the CRTs pop up, then you can kind of have the printable I have. You can go ahead and print it, and then you could kind of like mark off your CRTs if you get some, or if you get some insert coupons or whatever it may be. I wanted to get this out for you guys so that you had a lot of heads up. So now let's go ahead and hop into CVS. Alrighty, you guys, so let's go ahead and start off these Black Friday deals. So what I want you guys to do first is sign up for the Carepass, because if you sign up for the Carepass, it's $5, and then you're instantly going to get a $10 extra care buck. So we're going to start off with 5. Now add $5 to this breakdown if you already have a Carepass. So at the end of it, I'll remind you guys to add $5. But if you are new to Carepass, sign up for Carepass, and then you're going to get that $10 extra care buck instantly. So Carepass is a monthly charge with CVS, to where you give them your credit card or your debit card, and they charge you once a month. They charge you $5 every single month, but then you get a $10 extra care buck. You also get 20% off of the CVS health brand items, and there's something with prescriptions, I think, and there's like a advice nurse line that you can call for like medical stuff. I'm not 100% sure, but I'll have all the information linked below. But you pay 5, you get 10. So if you're a frequent shopper at CVS, then this is a no-brainer to me. So do that first. All right, you guys, so the first deal that you would want to do, this is going to be on your first transaction, is the NYX lip creams. So these guys are priced 2 for $11.98, and you're going to get a $10 extra care buck when you buy 2 of them. So what you can do is buy 2 of them for $11.98, use that $10 extra care buck that you're going to earn from the Carepass. So you would end up paying $1.98, and then you get a $10 extra care buck. Alrighty, so for transaction number 2, you're gonna wanna come over to the heat tool section, because Conair curling irons, as well as the Conair blow dryer, I'm not exactly sure which one it's going to be. It's probably the mid-size one, probably the ones that are priced at $19.99. But these are gonna be on sale for $1.98, and then you earn a $5 extra care buck back when you buy 1. So what you can do is buy 1 of them for $9.98, and then roll that $10 extra care buck that we earned in the NYX transaction. So we got $10 for the NYX lip creams. So you would use that $10 extra care buck, and you would essentially just have to pay the tax, and then you would earn a $5 extra care buck back. So we're still on transaction 2, and to recap, we've gotten 2 NYX lip creams, as well as a curling iron or other select heat tool. So today's video is actually sponsored by the Flues app. So Flues is an in-store cashback rebate app, to where you can earn cash back in store on things that you're purchasing. So they actually have CVS as one of them. So what you would want to do, first you need to sign up with the code that I have below for you guys, but they have a cash back inside CVS. So what you would do is, for example, say you want to go and purchase this soft soap hand soap, so it's priced for $2.49. You would pay $2.49 plus the tax. So when you go to the register, you need to see how much the total is going to be after tax. And then you want to go to CVS. So CVS has 20% cash back So what you can do is enter the total of how much it's going to be. So let's just round up to say it's going to be an even $3. What you do is you then put $3 into the app right here, and then you press continue. And then basically what you're going to do is you're going to be purchasing a CVS gift card through the Flues app, and then you're going to earn the cash back, so if that makes sense. So basically what you do is you purchase like gift cards through Flues. I'm gonna have it linked below for you guys to go ahead and try. So I'm actually going to pay for my transaction using the Flues app. So I'm going to go to checkout, and then when I am done with checkout, then I'll check in with you guys and share with you guys if there are any problems. All right, you guys, so for your next transaction number 3, you're going to want to buy one of the Lady Speed Stick or the regular Speed Sticks. So they are $2.49. and you're gonna get a $2 extra care buck back when you buy one. All right, you guys, so I also want you to pick up a 20 count of the CVS Health baby wipes. So this is the 20 count, so they are priced for 99 cents, and you're gonna get a 99-cent extra care buck when you buy one. All right, so I also want you guys to pick up a 20 count of the CVS brand panty liners. So these are on sale for 99 cents. And when you buy one, you're gonna get a 99-cent extra care buck. And you guys, we are still in transaction number 3. All right, so you also wanna pick up a pack of Orbit gum or an pack of extra gum. These are gonna be 99 cents. And when you buy one, you're gonna get a 99-cent extra care buck. All right, you guys, so for your 4th transaction, what I want you to pick up is a Colgate Optic White. You can also opt to do the Total or the Max Fresh. So these are priced for $3.50. Everyone's going to get a $3 instant coupon printing from the red machine, and there's going to be a 50-cent app only coupon. So it's going to make that absolutely free, you guys. All right, so I also want you to pick up a 24 count of the CVS Health brand pain reliever. So these are going to be priced for $4.49, but you get a $4.49 extra care buck when you buy one. So it makes it free after the extra care buck. So the last item I want you guys to add on this transaction is on General Mills cereals. So they are on sale for $1.99, and you're going to get a $1 extra care buck when you buy one. So what you want to do is everything that I mentioned. Again, it's going to be in the printable. It's going to come to $6.48, but then we're going to use the $4.97 extra care bucks we earned from our previous transaction. So you're going to end up paying $1.51, and you're going to get $5.49 in extra care bucks. All right, so then I'm going to take you over to the chip aisle, and Doritos and Lay's, these guys are going to be on sale for 2 for $4, and you're going to get a $1 extra care buck when you buy 2 of them. So pick up 2 of these guys. All right, then I also want you to pick up the Beauty 360 razor pack. So it's the 2-pack razors. These guys are on sale for $1.99, and you're going to earn a $1.99 extra care buck. So you're going to pay 50 cents because we're going to roll that $5.49 extra care buck. So you're going to end up paying 50 cents, and then you earn a $2.99 extra care buck. All right, so then in total with everything, after your extra care bucks and the extra care bucks you're earning from the last transaction, everything comes out to $6.49. So keep in mind that this will vary depending on if you're starting out with the Carepass or not. So if you're not starting with the Carepass, then add $10 more onto this, so then everything would be $16.49. So if you're not signed up for Carepass, then Black Friday is going to be the perfect time for you to sign up. Black Friday weekend. So these Black Friday deals are going to be running starting on Thanksgiving, Black Friday, and then the Saturday after Thanksgiving. So just keep that in mind. All right, so I used the Flues app in store and it worked perfectly. So I earned $3.95 cash back at CVS. So then I have to get to a $26 minimum before I can go ahead and cash out. So this is a really cool app. It takes a little bit of time when you're in store to have to go to the checkout and say, okay, what's my total after tax? But it's really quick. Like once you link your card, once you guys link your bank card to this app, then it's going to be really easy for you to go ahead and, you know, purchase your gift card. So it just took me a little bit longer the first time around because I had to, you know, stand there and enter my card information. But once you have your card linked to this app, then it's going to be really, really simple. So if you guys have asked me, Gina, do you like the Flues app? Is it worth it? Is it a scam? And as far as I'm concerned, everything worked out really well. and I earned $3.95 back for purchasing my gift card through Flues. So that's a win in my book. So I hope you guys use my link below. And a big thank you to Flues for sponsoring today's video. So definitely use the Flues app when you're going in store to CVS for your Black Friday deals, because you're going to save even more. So again, that link's going to be linked below. So a big thank you to Flues for sponsoring today's video. It's always a pleasure, and I cannot wait to work with you guys again. So I will talk to y'all later. Bye guys.